Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use DSLR as a webcam or for your streaming setup. It's fairly simple. All you need is a DSLR camera, a mini USB-B Type 2 USB cable, and a software called US Webcam Utility. But this is for a Canon DSLR. If you have a Nikon or Sony, they also have their respective utility software. Links will be in the description, and they also include the cable in the box, unlike Canon. So go ahead and download from the description and install. Before connecting the camera, make sure to turn it on. If you have a Wi-Fi or NFC supported camera, make sure to disable them in the settings. Cause it says right here enabling Wi-Fi disables HDMI. So go ahead and disable it and then put the camera in movie mode. And now you can go ahead and connect the camera to your computer. For showcasing, I am using Zoom, but this works for more than 40 plus meeting platforms, so it covers all the popular like Skype, Microsoft Teams, etc. On the Windows, click on the top right settings button and go to video. Under camera, choose EOS Webcam Utility. Your company may vary. For example, for Nikon, you will be choosing Nikon Webcam Utility. And you should have your DSLR as a webcam. You can enable HD, but I have heard it tends to overheat some cameras, so the choice is yours. And maybe tinker around in the settings a bit in the advanced section. Choose what works best for you. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and please guys, we're so close to 1000 subs. Let's make it happen.